happy 2019. I hope that you all have had an amazing start to your new year. In this video, I want to share a process for creating a vision board so that you can visualize all of your dreams and goals for this year. A vision board is essentially a snapshot of what you want your future to look like. And I think this is really helpful because it puts images to your goals, so you can quickly look at this and be reminded of everything that you're working towards throughout the year. Sometimes as we get further into a new year, the days start to become a little bit repetitive because you might be getting stuck in daily routines and just every day feels the same. And when that happens, you can easily lose track of what you're working towards and just forget what all your hard work is actually going towards. So a vision board can be a really powerful way to remind you of your dreams and goals and what your hard work every day is getting you to, and it just gives you that little bit of motivation to keep going and remind you of all of your dreams. To begin, sit down, take out a piece of paper, and just start imagining what you want your life to look like at the end of this year. Brainstorm all of the things that you want to accomplish. You can write this in paragraph form, like a story kind of, or you can just make a bullet list of all the things that you want to accomplish. The key is to write everything in past tense as if it has already happened. It feels more real that way and less like just wishful thinking. And even though this writing isn't going on the vision board, I think this is a very important step in setting your intentions for the new year. You can keep it broad and just think of all the goals in general that you want to accomplish this year, or you can do a vision board for a specific area of your life, such as your career, your relationships, your personal growth, or any other area that you have a list of goals for. Once you finish your list, it's kind of fun to just sit with it for a minute and look over it and imagine what it's going to feel like at the end of this year when you're reading this list and it's all true. Just imagine that feeling now. Pretend that it's all happening now and try to see if you can feel that way in this moment. Now you can go through the list and you can find images to go with each of these goals. So you can search online and find some pictures on websites like Pinterest or Tumblr, or if you don't have a printer or you don't want to print out your pictures, you can always just cut them out of magazines or old books. And now the fun part is actually creating your vision board collage. So this can look like anything you want it to look like. You can use any materials you want and really create it how you want to create it. You could consider making your vision board on a canvas, that way it's easy to hang up on your wall if you want to display it. You could create your collage on a piece of recycled cardboard or just a piece of paper. You could even make this digital if you just want to do it on the computer, and you can use a design program or even a website like Canva or PicMonkey. Those websites allow you to create collages, so you could easily do that and have a digital version. I decided to do mine in my bullet journal, so it's kind of a mini vision board, but I like this because anytime I'm planning for my week or making a to-do list, I can just flip back to my vision board and see everything that I want to do this year and that I want to accomplish. So just have fun with this and don't feel the pressure to make your vision board look a certain way or be perfect to post on Instagram. This is for you, not for the rest of the world to look at, and you don't even have to show anyone else. This doesn't have to be something that you display. It could just be something that you tuck away in your journal for only you to look at. It's up to you. Finished with your vision board, remember that This is just the first step to accomplishing all of your goals. Make sure that you're taking actions and you're planning how you're actually going to work towards these goals, because while the vision board is great and fun, it's not going to magically bring all of your dreams to life. You have to do that. You are the creator of your life, and you are going to be the one to make all of your goals come true. So look at your vision board every week and remind yourself of what you're working towards, and figure out what you want to do each day or each week to work towards all of those dreams. And by the end of 2019, you are going to have accomplished so much more than you ever thought was possible. That you found this tutorial helpful. If you do want to share a photo of your vision board, you can post a picture of it on my Patreon community page, and I can look at it and everyone else here in this community can see it, but it's totally fine if you don't want to share it and you just want to keep it for yourself. I hope that you have fun planning all of your dreams and goals for 2019, and I will see you again very soon. Bye everyone.